future ACCAs, welcome. I'm a proud Untangler. Today we are here to introduce you a new paper which is known as financial reporting. To sound cooler, we can call it as FR. I know you're a little bit curious to know about your faculty who is gonna lead you this paper. So your faculty is an ACCA at his young age and started teaching as his career. So many of his friends or colleagues, or you may also ask that how to complete this paper or how to complete ACCA at a shorter time frame. So we are answering all of your questions by introducing you a learning platform which is known as Untanglex. So these are the qualities your faculty has. So I am your faculty for financial reporting and I will be guiding you for cracking this paper. My name is Suhail Abdul Kader. So first of all, we can discuss about the syllabus. Your FR syllabus is partitioned into 3 areas. The first part is accounting standards. Under accounting standards, we will learn how to deal with particular transactions or particular asset or particular items. So there are 2 types of accounting standards are there: international accounting standard and international financial reporting standards. And the part B is preparation of financial statement. So there you have to learn preparation of statement of profit and loss account, statement of financial position, statement of cash flow, statement of changes in equity and notes as well. And the last section is for interpretation of ratio. Here, using the financial and non-financial information, you have to analyze or you have to interpret the performance of a company by analyzing the trends, ratios, etc. Okay. Then we can look the exam format of your FR. So coming to your exam format, the ACCA is testing you in 3 sections. Section A comprises of 15 objective test question which carries 2 marks each. So it will gives you 30 marks. And objective test question means it not only includes the multiple choice question, it includes different types of questions like, so one of the question will be multiple choice question. Under multiple choice question, you have to select option from multiple options. And second type is multiple response. In that case, you have to select multiple options. And next one is that filling the blanks. In filling the blanks, you have to fill a blank using a value or word, and that question will not carry any options. And next one is drag and drop. That means you have to drag and drop the correct answer into a place. And next one is that drop down list. So you have to, from the list, you have to select the answer. And next one is that hotspot. Here you have to choose a point of an image. And last question will be hot area. In that one, you have to select an area from the given image. So these are the questions can be expected in the objective test question. And in case of section B question, there will be 3 objective case question which carries 10 marks each. Objective case question means there will be the examiner will give you some background of a company, and using that background there will be objective test question. So the one objective case question carries 10 marks, so it will give you another 30 marks. And in case of section C, the section C question, there will be 2 constructive response question which carries 20 marks per question. So constructive response means this is your essay type question. Okay. So this is the exam format. So the maximum mark is 100. Okay. And another thing, your section A, section B question can be tested from any area. It is told by your examiner. They are saying that section A and section B question can be tested from any area. But in case of section C question, the examiner is saying some areas. So your first question from section C will be based on interpretation of ratio, and second question will be either of preparation of financial statement for single entity or preparation of financial statement for group entity. Okay, so next we can look through the exam structure. Your ACCA FR examination is conducted through a CBE environment. CBE stands for computer based examination. So I know you require a specialized training to attend the examination in a computer based environment. So don't worry, we are here to help you. So we will be providing computer based examination training as well. Okay, so the exam time is 3 hours and the maximum mark is 100 marks. And the happy moment is when you are getting 50 marks. Yes, the pass mark is 50 marks. As you can see, the exam time will be constrained here. Many students who are failing FR examination because of poor exam strategy. For that reason, we are introducing a conservative approach to tackle your examination. So as you can see, 1.8 minutes, as you can see, for 1 mark. So as per our conservative approach, you have to complete or you have to attend 1 mark by only consuming 1.6 minutes. And section A and section B, you have to complete within 90 minutes, and section C, you have to complete within 70 minutes. And we strongly recommend to write the question or to answer the question which is very similar or which is easy to you, and leave the question which is very difficult to you. And using our conservative approach, we are allocating 20 minutes. You will get an extra 20 minutes to attend all incomplete tasks, and also you will get 20 minutes for reviewing your answers once more. So this is our conservative approach. So you have to follow this conservative approach, and you will not be run out of time while you using this approach. And next, we can measure what is the depth of your FR before jumping into it. So as you can see, these are the pass rate of your FR examination. So you can see the recent pass rate is 44%, but the initial pass rate was 51. So you can conclude that there is a declining trend. There is a declining trend in the pass rate. You can see that many students' effort and time doesn't give a positive result, isn't it? So for that, we are helping you to get your positive result, and hopefully you will be included in the next ACCA exam pass rate. So for that reason, we are introducing you a 5-step approach to crack your examination. As you can see, or you can see that while we're taking the success story of every person, there will be a plan, a strategic approach they had followed to get a success, isn't it? So for your success also, we are introducing a step-by-step, a strategic approach to get a good result. So the first step is that to learn the concept. So you have to learn the full concept by using our lecture support notes prepared by our core faculty member along with our video lectures, and also you have to revise the questions which we had practiced through the video lectures. Okay, and the second step is your turn. You have to prepare notes to noting the important stuffs like meaning, definition, merit, demerit, and your weakness, etc. And we strongly recommend to use different colors, highlighters, use good presentation like diagrams, etc. And also it will be nice, or it is better to use your local language for noting the important concepts. Okay. Why we are asking to do why we are asking to prepare notes? Because while you are preparing the notes by yourself, it will help you to automatically feed the concept into your brain, and also you will get a record what you had learned for revising the topics. And the third step is that revise, practice, because practice makes a man perfect, isn't it? So for that practicing, we are giving you a revision kit which includes past exam standard questions and also past questions or questions which is prepared by our core faculty members. So using that, you can practice the exam standard question and you can get familiar to the style of the examiner and you can learn how to answer the question. Okay, after that you have to attempt the mock test. We will be giving access to the ACCA mock examination, and using a computer you have to attempt the examination by creating a real exam situation or real exam condition in your home by avoiding all the distraction, and you have to set the 3-hour time frame. Why we are asking to do like this? Because while you are attempting the mock, your exam pressure will be reduced a minimum level, and also you can assess or you can foresee that what is going to happen in your real examination. Okay, after that our real examination, and go and just rock your examination and just relax. Okay, so next is that rank holder. Next we have to discuss about rank holder. What's my rank holder? Yes, ACCA will publish a rank holder in every single exam sitting. They will publish global rank holder and also national wide rank holder. So the ACCA will give you separate certification and also cash prize when you are achieving a rank. So just think that moment you are achieving or you are getting certificate from the ACCA official in front of your parent. It will be a nice moment, no? It will be a nice moment when you are getting certificate in front of your parent. It will be a nice gift, or it will be a nice treat we can give to our parents. So I know your facial expression, because you are thinking now you can be a rank holder. Yes, you can be a rank holder. Yes, you can be a rank holder. You can be a rank holder and try to utilize this opportunity. And also we are providing you scholarship and also assistant in the future lectures by the Untanglex to support you in your future studies. So using that assistance, you can look after your studies by not depending others. So I think you will maximum utilize this opportunity provided by Untanglex. So next we can discuss the connections of our FR paper. There are some connections of financial reporting with other papers of ACCA level. So you can see that financial reporting is an advanced paper of financial accounting. The interesting thing is that the basic knowledge of financial accounting and also assumed knowledge from basic accounting is required to pass financial reporting. As you can know, many of the students are exempted from financial accounting, or many students will not know the basic knowledge of accounting. So for that reason, we are introducing you our super basic class. So we will be offering, or we will be providing the classes for super basics along with the class of financial reporting without any additional cost. So don't worry, you had missed the concept. We will be covering all the concept which is required to pass financial reporting. Okay, so that you don't want to depend on other sources for getting the basic stuffs. Okay, and the next thing is that the advanced paper of financial reporting is known as strategic business reporting, and also To pass SBR, you have to know the basic knowledge of financial reporting as well. So SBR is a P-level paper, so please keep in your mind. And another connection is that to pass paper auditing and assurance, you have to know the basic knowledge from financial accounting and financial reporting. Please keep in your mind this also, because you have to consider this while you learning the concept of FR. It will help you to pass the future papers. Also, it will help you in the working environment as well. Okay, so we are introducing some more exam tool to analyze the exam marks asked in the past examination. So as you can see, these are the questions which is asked on the interpretation of ratio. So as you can see, the red color is for interpretation. These are the marks. You can see 10 marks, 12 marks, 10 marks are asked for interpretation. And then you can see the yellow. Yellow denominates the theory. What are the content of the theory you can ask. And the green color is for redrafting question. Redrafting. And the blue is for ratio calculation. You can see the blue color for ratio calculation. So out of 20 marks, you can see what is the composition of the each element, like theory, interpretation, ratios, etc. And another case, in case of single entity, we have to learn different international accounting standards and international financial reporting standards. So you can see what are the standards asked in the past examination. So it will gives you an awareness that the importance of the concepts. Okay, and you can see that the red color. Red is denominating the IS 83, and green denominates the SOPL, statement of profit and loss account. Blue denominates the question for statement of financial position. Yellow denominates the question for statement of change in equity. Black denominates statement of cash flow. So you will get a better clarity. What are the composition of marks? What are the composition of marks asked for each area? And also you can see section B question. You can see the objective case question. You can see the standards asked. So you can get an awareness that what are the marks asked. So it will be dealt in a detailed manner while we are conducting the regular class sessions. Okay. Then, as you will ask that what support we can offer for you. In case of support we are providing, Untanglex is providing you an extended support to help you to pass this paper. We are providing you video lectures as well as study notes which is prepared by our core faculty member, which will help you to understand the concept much more detailed and very easily. And we will be doing exam standard question in the video lectures, so you will get an opportunity to practice the question along with the faculty. And also we will be conducting online mock tests, so you can test your understanding in this online mock test. So I think you guys are very satisfied with the support we are providing, but our Untanglex team is not satisfied. So for that reason we are providing you an additional support to help you. So we are conducting online webinars, and also we are conducting doubt clearing session. So in that session you can ask your question and you can ask your doubt in a live invigilator, and you can clear your doubts. So don't be feared that, or don't be tense that we will not be available after the video lectures. So you can interact with the faculty after the video lectures and you can ask your doubts, and we'll be helping for that matter. Okay, and we will be also providing CPE examination training to increase the chance of passing this paper, because many students don't know what is CPE environment. So we will be conducting a training program for that. And also we are introducing a new program which is mentoring, because some students request a personal attention to pass FR or pass the ACCA papers. So we are providing mentorship. So mentorship means we will be assigning our individual faculty for individual students. So the faculty will, or that member will look after the student, and the student can interact with the faculty, and he will be clearing all the doubts, and he will ensure that you are in a good track and help to pass this paper. That's my mentoring. So in case of mentoring, we are providing direction, training, support, success, goal, motivation, and it will ensure that you will be in a good track. And also, we will be keep you updated with the notification and updates of ACCA, and also will be providing a notification relevant to your qualification by Untanglex. So I think you're okay with the introduction. So as of now, I am signing off, and I hope we will meet at the regular session. Goodbye. Best of luck.